I'm a project manager and engineer on the plumbing team here at SSR, mostly focusing on sports and entertainment. I've been here a little bit over 6 years, started summer of 2019. We do a lot of assessments, and so with that we're traveling for 1 to 3 days, going to various cities that we normally wouldn't get to go to. And I think we work with a lot of cool people here. When you're traveling for work, there's a lot of downtime, and you get to actually hang out with folks that you normally wouldn't get to spend that same quality time, whether it's getting dinner after a day on site, whether it's in the airport just waiting to catch the next flight or something like that. And just some of the best memories I've had have been making real connections with folks, and it's not just work, 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 it's getting to know the personal side of people as well. So one innovative thing, it's actually being used at the new Titan Stadium, and it's a code required thing, a little more on the fire protection side. What they've started doing is they've required bottled air for firefighters. So in the event of emergency, they need to refill the air pack that's on their back. There's actually piped air that we have designed and provided throughout the stadium in certain safe areas for them to be able to refill. That way they're not having to run all the way out the building or have one guy lug a bunch of canisters of air up and down all the time. And so it's not very common, but as a new code requirement here in Nashville, the new stadium will be one of the first to actually have that, and we were able to provide that design for it. I have a 1-year-old daughter, so between work and going home and hanging out with her, I don't really do much else for fun. My wife and I try to get out and go on walks with her and whatever else. Weather's been a little bit nicer. Obviously Nashville summers aren't that much fun. I try to golf a little bit every now and then in my free time, but it's pretty much just work and then go home and hang out with the family.